Good morning everybody. Welcome to online classes. Today I take your grammar class and I have already completed chapter 1 and 2. 1 sentences and 2 nouns. So we are acquainted, we have already acquainted what is called nouns and how many kinds of nouns are there, how many kinds of nouns are there, and noun means naming words are called noun, and there are some more about nouns, that is number. In this chapter we have to discuss number, that is there are number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 1 means there are two numbers, singular and plural. 1 means singular means 1, only 1, and more than 1 means plural. Okay, that is boy, girl, a boy, a girl, a bag, a tree, these are called singular number. Boys, girls, 2 boys, 3 girls, 5 trees, etc. That is singular number means 1, and plural number means more than 1. And how we change singular number to plural number, there are too much rules. Number 1, most singular nouns change into plural nouns by adding s at the end of the words. That is boy, boys, girl, girls, bag, bags, pencil, pencils, pen, pens, etc. etc. Number 2, singular nouns that end with y and before y there is a vowel a, e, I, o, u, change plural forms by adding s at the end. If any word end with y and before y there is a vowel, that is a or b, a or e or I, o or o or u, simply we change the singular number to plural by adding s with the main word, that is toy, T-O-Y, toy, y, last word, ending word y, and before y there is o, so T-O-Y-S, toys. Kidney, K-I-D-N-E-Y, y, e, before y, e, vowel, so K-I-D-N-E-Y-S, kidneys. Okay. Rules 3. If any noun ends with o and before o there is a vowel, change into plural form by s at the end. Video, V-I-D-E-O, video, V-I-D-E-O-S, videos. S-T-U-D-I-O, studio, S-T-U-D-I-O-S, studios. F-O-L-I-O, folio, F-O-L-I-O-S, folios. B-A-M-B-W, bamboo, B-A-M-B-W-O-S, bamboos. Okay. If any noun ends with o and before o there is a vowel, we change singular into plural by adding s with the main word. Okay. Rules number 4. If any singular noun ends with o and before o there is a consonant, changes into plural form by adding es. That is potato, P-O-T-A-T-O. O, before o there is T, consonant, so P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. E-C-H-O, O, last word o, before o there is H, consonant, so E-C-H-O-E-S, echoes, etc. Okay. Rules number 5. Singular nouns that end with an S, double S, CH, SH, Z or X change into their plural form by adding es at the end. That is bush, B-U-S-H, so B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. F-A-X, fax, F-A-X-E-S, last word X. B-E-S-H, beach, B-E-S-H-E-S, C-H-E-S. B-U-S, S, B-U-S-E-S, buses. A-T-L-S, S last word, so A-T-L-A-S-E-S, atlases. Okay. Singular nouns that end with s, double s, x, sh, we change into plural number by adding es at the end of the word. This is the reason. Next, singular nouns that end with y and before y there is a consonant, change the plural form by replacing y with ies. That is baby, B-A-B-Y. Y, before y there is a consonant B. So B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. D-U-T-Y, duty. D-U-T-I-E-S, duties. L-A L-A-D-Y, lady. L-A-D-I-S, ladies. D-U-T-Y, duty. D-U-T-I-S, duties. Okay. If there is, the last word is Y, repeat it again. Last word is Y, and before Y there is a consonant. We add, replace Y by IES to change it into plural. That is baby, babies, B-A-B-Y, B-A-B-I-S, babies, L-A-D-Y, lady, L-A-D-I-S, ladies. Okay. Singular nouns, 7 number rules. Singular nouns that end with F or FE change their plural form by replacing the F or FE with VES. That is loaf, L-O-F, loaf, L-O-A-V-E-S, loaves. L-E-F, leaf, F, before F there is a vowel, F. So L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. C-A-L-F, calf, C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. Okay. Rules number 8. Some singular nouns change their plural form in an irregular way. That is person, people. Mouse, mice. Fungus, fungi, etc. Irregular. Pura changing form. 9 number. Some singular nouns do not change in their plural form. Singular, plural, similar. That is peace, peace. Sheep, sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, sheep. Deer, deer, dozen, dozen, etc. There are also 2 more nouns, that is countable, uncountable. Nouns that we can count are called countable nouns, that is apples, house, houses, pen, pens, shop, shops. Nouns that cannot be counted at all are called uncountable nouns, that is tea, milk, flour, rice, F-L-O-U-R, rice, time, etc. So, I repeat it again. Nouns, number. Number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, there are 2 numbers at all. Singular number, plural number. Singular means only 1, plural means more than 1. So, always that is boy, boys, girl, girls. 1 boy, 2 boys. 1 girl, 4 girls. 1 bag, 5 bags. Okay. How we change singular into plural? So, number 1, most singular nouns change into plural form by adding s at the end of the words. That is boy, boys, girl, girls, bag, bags, etc. etc. Number 2, singular nouns that end with y and before y there is a vowel, that is A-E-I-O-U, change plural forms by adding s at the end. That is toy, toys, monkey, monkeys, M-O-N-K-E-Y, M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys. Okay. 3. If any noun ends with O and before O there is a vowel, change into plural form by S at the end of the word. That is video, V-I-D-E-O, V-I-D-E-O-S, video. Studio, S-T-U-D-I-O-E-S, studio. S-T-U-D-I-O, S-T-U-D-I-O-S, studios. Bamboo, B-A-M-B-O-O-S, bamboos. Okay. Question number 4, rules number 4. If any singular number ends with O and before O there is a consonant, changes into plural form by adding ES at the end of it. That is potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, P-O-T-A-T-O. Before O there is a consonant T, so potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Echo, E-C-H-O. Before O there is a consonant, so E-C-H-O-E-S, echoes. Question, rules number 5. Singular nouns that end with an S, double S, CH, SH, Z or X change into plural form by adding ES at the end. Bush, B-U-S-H, B-U-S-H is bushes. Bench, B-E-N-C-H, bench, B-E-N-C-H is benches. B-U-S, bus, B-U-S-E-S, buses. 6. Singular nouns that end with Y and before Y there is a consonant, change into their plural form by replacing the Y with IES. Baby, B-A-B-Y, B-A-B-I-S, babies. D-U-T-Y, duty, D-U-T-I-S, duties. S-T-O-R-Y, story, S-T-O-R-I-S. Okay. 7 number rules. Singular nouns that end with F or FE change their plural form by replacing F or FE with VES, that is loaf, L-O-F, L-O-A-V-E-S, loaves. Life, L-I-F-E, life, L-I-V-E-S. L-E-F, leaf, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. C-L-F, cup, C-L-V-E-S. Some singular noun change the plural number in an irregular way. That is person, persons. Person, plural number people. Mouse, plural number mice. Fungus, plural number fungi, etc. More about you read in your book. 9 number. Some singular noun do not change in their plural form. Singular, plural, similar. Peace. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P. Dear, dozen, etc. D-E-E-R. There are also two more nouns, that is countable and uncountable. The nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. That is apples, trees, boys, birds, etc. Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. That is tea, milk, flour, rice, time, etc. Okay, this is, I tell you, some rules and regulation. Now I start exercise A. This is a table. Complete the tables given below. Singular, plural, singular, plural, singular, plural. Calf, C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. Plural number, A-C-R-I-S, series, A-C-R-I-S, series. Leaf, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S. Deer, T-H-I-F, thief, T-H-I-E-V-E-S, thieves. Cacti, cactus, C-A-C-T-U-S. Half, H-A-L-V-S, halves. Wolf, W-O-L-V-E-S. K-N-I-F-E, knife, K-N-I-V-S, knives. W-I-F-E, wife, W-I-V-S, wives. P-H-O-T-O, photo, P-H-O-T-O-S. P-H-O-T-O-S, P-H-O-T-O, photo. Fish. Potatoes, potato. Octopi, octopus, octopi, O-C-T-O-P-I. Kangaroos, kangaroo, R-O-O. Sheep. Videos, V-I-D-E-O-S, V-I-D-E-O, video. Atlas, atlases, E-S. I repeat it again. Calves, calf. Series. Leaf, leaves. Deer. Thieves, thief. Cacti, cactus. Halves. Wolf. Knives. Wives. Photos, photo. Fish. Potatoes, potato. Octopus, octopi. Kangaroo. Sheep. Videos. Atlases. Okay, now I hold these pages 1 or 2 seconds. So today I discussed more about nouns, that is number. What is called number, how many kinds of number, and some examples also, and I give some rules how to change singular into plural. There are some rules, and now I do in the class exercise A also, and then so you must learn all these things which have been done in class, and also exercise A you learn it, and next day I will do exercise B, C and D. Today I will complete half portion of chapter 3. Next day I hope I will complete the full chapter 3, and today I complete half portion of the chapter 3, and I discuss some things about singular number and plural number, and I hope you will learn this at home. Thank you.